checking out the Getting Started tutorial series. This video will give you a brief overview of your Appointment Plus account. As with any new software or program, there's new terminology and navigational paths to learn. Understanding the terminology in your account layout will make it easier to customize your account while viewing other video tutorials and browsing the Appointment Plus knowledge base. After completing your trial registration, you'll automatically be logged into your account and taken to a similar page as you see here. This is called the Site Administration page, and it's where your staff and administrators can access your account. Let's take a minute to point out the different areas displayed here. The most commonly used area of Appointment Plus is called the Appointment Grid. This is where your schedules are displayed and appointments are created and modified. Whether you're scheduling with tutors, groomers, doctors, or any other types of service providers or resources, all schedules will be displayed on the Appointment Grid. Directly above the Appointment Grid is a row of tabs called the Navigation bar. These tabs will be the primary links you use to navigate through the site. As you can see here, the Appointments tab is highlighted to show the Appointment Grid. You can click on any tab to advance to different areas within your account. During your account setup process, you'll become familiar with each of these sections, especially the Settings tab at the top right corner. The Settings tab is where you can add and edit your location information, payment information, and modify the preference settings to customize your account. After clicking the Appointments tab, the Appointment Grid will display, as well as a calendar and some additional navigational links. The calendar is used to quickly jump to a specific date. You can also page through each month and quickly pick a date from the calendar. Additional links are displayed below the calendar to give you shortcuts to other areas of your account, such as the Point of Sale plugin. The links found here will be based on what features you've enabled and what access you have to site administration. For example, the POS link will only show if the Point of Sale plugin has been activated. Above the calendar, you'll see a drop-down list to select a specific schedule. This option can be used to show a single schedule on the Appointment Grid, but will default to showing all schedules when using the Day View. To the right of the Appointment Grid is a colored legend that contains the appointment status types. Once you click or hover over the colored area, it'll open up to display the description for each color. The top three colors explain the coloring description of the Appointment Grid for what's available or what's not available, while the other colors explain the status or category of the appointment. You can add to the appointment status list and modify existing statuses by clicking on the List tab in the Navigation bar. Additional administrative links can be found in the header bar of Site Administration. Use these links to access the Marketplace, Customer View tools, the Dashboard, and Help tools. The Marketplace is where you can find additional plugins and add them to your account locations. Plugins are additional features that let you integrate other aspects of your business with Appointment Plus. Several plugins allow you to link to other applications, such as QuickBooks, Google Calendar, and Constant Contact. Feel free to look through the Marketplace and see what plugins might be useful for your business. The Customer View link includes tools to help you direct customers to schedule online. Just hover over the Customer View link to display additional options. This section is important because it contains the Preview link to your Customer View. You can use the Preview link or the Book Now buttons to let customers schedule through your existing website. When hovering over the Customer View link, you'll also see some additional social media links and directions for email marketing. To quickly add a Book Now button to your Facebook business page, click on the Facebook marketing link. The dashboard is a tool used by administrators to see a snapshot display of appointments, sales, and other useful statistics. It can also be set as the default page that displays when an administrator logs in. Most importantly, you'll find a help link in the header bar of Site Administration. Just hover over the help link for more information about how to contact support, how to access support tickets, and to view the knowledge base. Now that you've seen the overview and have a better understanding of how to navigate through your account, the next step is to set up some key preferences based on how you schedule. Click below to begin watching the Key Preferences Settings tutorial.